What is up, guys, and welcome back to ATV Farms, episode 77. Today is an info video because I didn't get up this morning to go out and do chores. So, there won't be a video tonight, tomorrow, or Sunday. Well, I don't know about Sunday. The next video, I'm hoping it is a cleaning videos where we clean out my lamb pen and potentially work the lamb. So, and then I don't know what else is gonna happen, so just stay tuned and enjoy all 77 episodes of ATV Farms. Alright, I'll see you guys whenever I'm back on camera.